Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome back to GiniAcademy. Today, let us continue the exercise 5.1 in AP Arithmetic Progression chapter. The fourth question we need to start. Is it right? Okay. Are you ready? Let's start. Fourth question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So what we need to find out? For the given number list, we not able to consider these are arithmetic progression because they asked us to find whether they are arithmetic progression or not. If they are arithmetic progression, we have to find. They gave four terms. Next 3 terms we need to find out. Okay. How to find out whether it is arithmetic progression or not? How? Nothing but the common difference or a number that keep on adding to the preceding term should be equal, or keep on subtracting that number preceding terms are same, isn't it? In the previous exercise we already came across how to find out whether it is belong to AP or not, isn't it? Just find the common difference D. If the common difference is equal, then it is an AP. Okay. So here also need to find out the common difference. Okay, and the first term only the A. In the given number list, always the first term or first number only the A. Okay, and next we need to find out the common difference. How to find common difference? Nothing but it is the subtraction of successive 2 terms. Any 2 D we can find out. If it is equal, then we have to assume that is a arithmetic progression. Then we need to check next 3 terms. That's it. Let us start. Come. The first one is 2, 4, 8, 60. So with this one we can consider A1, A2, A3, A4. So like this. And which is the first term? The A is always the first number or the first term, that is 2. And how to find D? It is the subtraction of 2 successive terms, A2 minus A1, which is A2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, and what is the next D? That is also the subtraction of 2 successive terms. A3 minus A2. A3 is 8. A2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. See here, the first common difference is 2. The next is 4. That means here the common difference is not equal or not same. Therefore, the D is not same. It doesn't form an AP. Isn't it? The given number list is not AP only. If it is not AP, no need to find out next 3 terms. If it is belong to AP, then we need to find out A5, A6, A7. Isn't it? Yes. Let us come to second question. Here the first term is 2 and the common difference. How to write common difference? Let me consider it as A1, A2, A3, A4 continuation. A is nothing but 2. Difference is A2 minus A1. Which is A2 here? 5 by 2 minus 2. Do cross multiplication. 5, 2 2s are 4, whole divided by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 2. And the next D is, next successive terms are A3 and A3 minus A2. Which is A3, 3. 3 minus 5 by 2. So do cross multiplication. Nothing is there means 1. 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. See, you can keep on go through for finding the common difference. But minimum for the 2 common difference, the successive difference of 2 term is more enough. We can assume it is belong to AP if it is same. Okay. So here what we got? D is same. So it's an AP. The given number list is an AP. So if it is AP, what we need to find out? The next 3 terms. A5, A6, A7. Still continuation it is there. For us only 3 term it is required to find out. How to find out? See, A is nothing but A only and A2 is nothing but A plus B. General form of an AP. And A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. In that way, A5, A plus 4D, A6, A plus 5D and A7 means A plus 6D. And we need to find out A5, A6 and A7. Isn't it? Let us see how to find out. A5 is A plus 4D, which is A2. 4. D is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Look at here, 4 is goes by 2, no? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 plus what else left here? 2 into 1, 2. So that is 4, which is the A fifth term, that is 4. Let us come to A6, that is nothing but A plus 5D. How it is, ma'am? If you have the doubt, this A plus n minus 1 into D. So in that way, fifth term means A plus n minus 1, 4 plus D. Isn't it? Like that. So A6, A is 2, 5, D is 1 by 2. 2 plus 5 divided by 2. And you have to take cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 2 and it is 9 by 2. And A7, the next is A7, that is A plus 6D. 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we got, this is A6 is 9 by 2. And A7 is 5, isn't it? And shall we write its terms? The first term is 2, second is 5 by 2, third is 3, fourth is 7 by 2. What is the fifth term? 4. And sixth term is 9 by 2. And seventh term is 5. And it will continue like this. This is the AP. Look at here. 2, 3, 4, 5, this number also increasing. This is 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2. Hard number by 2, isn't it? Like that it is goes on. Clear? If it is belong to AP, if D is common, it is an AP. We need to find out next 3 terms, that is A5, A6, A7. And we need to write its final AP form. Okay? Let us move to third question. The third one is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2 continuation. Okay. Let us write it is A1, A2, A3, A4 continuation is there. And A1 is nothing but the first term A, that is minus 1 by 2. And we need to find out common difference, that is the difference of two successive terms. A2 minus A1. Minus 3 by 2 minus, and even though I usually used to say whenever the negative sign are there, you have to show more concentration, you have to focus more. Negative of minus 1 by 2. In the formula itself negative is there, and even though the first term also having negative, that is why keep it in a bracket. Minus 3, 2, minus into minus plus. I hope this you know, no? Minus into minus, minus into plus, plus into minus, plus into plus. I hope you already know it. Okay, let me recall. Minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into plus, plus. If 2 also negative or 2 also positive, that case positive sign will come. If any one sign is negative, then negative will come out. I hope you know this, right? So in that way, minus into minus plus 1, 2. Clear? So now we have to do, one is addition and one is subtraction, means you have to do plus 1 by 2. What we need to do? Subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 1 is 2 and the greater value having negative sign. So that is minus 2. Minus 2, 0 is nothing but minus 2. Clear? So next D, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5 by 2. Negative symbol is there. Keep it in a bracket. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 comma 2. Sorry, minus 3 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2. Minus into minus plus 3 comma 2. Do subtraction 5 comma 2 plus 3 comma 2. 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 3 2 and negative symbol as it is. Isn't it? So this is also minus 2. So here, look at here, the first D also, the first common difference also minus 2. Next common difference also minus 2. If you want to do, you can do the third common difference, that is also same. Okay. So D is same. So it is an AP. So if it is AP, what we need to do? We need to find out next 3 terms, that is A5, A6, A7. Isn't it? So what is A5? A plus 4D. What is A? Minus 1.1 comma 2 plus 4 into what is D? Minus 2. Minus 1 comma 2 plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. Look at here. This is also negative and that is also negative 4 because plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. So now what we need to do? 8.08 comma 0. 1 minus 1.2, both are in negative. Keep the negative sign and add them. 0 plus 2 is 2 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is minus 9 comma 2. Isn't it? And the next one is A6, that is A plus 5D. What is A? Minus 1.2 and 5 and what is D? 2. Minus 1 comma 2 plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10. Both are in negative, isn't it? 10 plus 1 is 11, 11.2, that is A6. So next is A7, A plus 6D. So A is minus 1.2 and D into, 6 into D is minus 2. Minus 1 comma 2 plus into minus minus 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 1 is 13, 13.2 is the A7. So the final AP is minus 1.2, comma minus 3.2, comma minus 4.2, sorry, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, minus 9.2, minus 13.2 and still continuation is there. For us, the next 3 terms is more enough. Clear? Let us move to 4th question. The 4th one is minus 10 comma minus 6 comma minus 2 comma 2 comma continuation is there. So it is nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4 and A1 is nothing but A, so that is minus 10. D we need to find out, that is A2 minus A1. Minus 6, again the negative, be careful, minus of 10. So minus 6, minus into minus plus 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Next D is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2, minus of minus 6. Minus 2, minus into minus plus. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Isn't it? See here, minus into minus plus. 6 minus 2 also 4. Therefore, D is same. It's an AP. Isn't it? So let's form the next 3 terms. That is A5, A6, A7 continuation. So how to find A5? A plus 4D. So that is A term is minus 10 plus 4 and D is again 4. Minus 10, 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 10 is 6. The negative value is the less only, positive value only greater, that is why only 6. And next is A6, A plus 5D, that is minus 10 plus 5 into D is 4. Minus 10, 5 4s are 20. So again it is 10. And A7, A7 is A plus 6D. A is minus 10. 6D is 4. Minus 10 plus 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 10 is 14. So our AP is minus 10 comma minus 6 comma minus 2 comma 2 comma and again 6 comma 10 comma 14. Look at here, it is like a number line, isn't it? Positive and negative values. So this is the fourth sum. Clear it is? If you didn't understand, you have to aramse go through. Don't see, if your mind is thinking about something and you are physically seeing the book or video, means it doesn't use, isn't it? So you have to focus both physically and mentally, then only anything can understand. It is easy thing only. Clear? You would have enjoyed to do this actually. Arithmetic progression chapter means. Let us move to fifth one. And the fifth one is 3 comma 3 plus square root of 2 comma 3 plus 2 square root of 2 comma 3 plus 3 square root of 2 and so on, isn't it? So the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Let us find D. So what is A? Firstly A. A1 is nothing but A, that is 3, and D is the successive term difference. A2 is 3 plus square root of 2 minus, see positive means you can take directly. Look at here, positive 3, negative 3 getting cancelled. The left out is square root of 2. The next one is A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 into square root of 2 minus, see two terms are there. It is like an expression, take it in a bracket. 3 plus square root of 2. Here the only single number directly I took. But here two terms, that is like an expression. Take inside a bracket. Because the sign has to be applied for both the number or both the term. Here nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus, minus 3. Plus into minus, minus square root of 2. Again the positive 3 and negative 3 getting cancelled. The left out is 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2. Minus square root of 2 is nothing but 1 square root of 2. So leave the square root term. See here 2 minus 1 means 1 and square root is as it is. So it is nothing but square root only. Don't get confused here, okay? So therefore D is same. So it forms an AP. It forms an AP. So let us find out the next three term, that is A5, A6, A7. Why only the next three terms? They asked only 3 terms, that is why. A5 is A plus 4D. So what is A? 3. 4. What is D? That is square root of 2. Isn't it? 3 plus 4 square root of 2. You can't add these two numbers because this is within the, 3 plus 4 you can't add because for 3 no square root number along with it. For 4 it is there. That is what you have to keep like that only. Next one is A plus 5D. A is 3 and this is also need to keep like that only. And A plus 6D. 3 plus 6 into square root of D. Let us write our AP 3 comma 3 plus square root of 2 comma 3 plus 2 square root of 2, 3 plus 3 square root of 2, 3 plus 4 square root of 2, 3 plus 5 square root of 2, 3 plus 6 square root of 2, continuation. The 3 term we find out is these 3. Clear? I hope you are getting understanding, isn't it? Let us move to next 6th question.